Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how we create a GIF with any type of video what we have or any type of picture what we have. So let's check out my video to see about it. Guys, if you don't have a Filmora 9, then you have to go into the Google to upload it, and after we will open. After our Filmora 9 open, then we will go and check out about it. First things we have to do, then go into the import and we upload any type of video what we want. Import media. Choose any type of video what you want, then we will do okay when it's done. This video what I want, so I will put it here. So guys, I will do right click, so I will detach the video because we don't need this is a photo, so we don't need any type of voice, so I detach the video. You can cut it with any type of place what you want. Try to keep it just 5 seconds because we don't need a lot of video, so I cut and I remove the other part of video. Click the export and we were inside of my video. Write any type of word what you want, so it will be easier for you to check your video once it's done the upload. I will write gift. Then guys, look, we go into the left side, then we come down. I will press the gift because we want to upload a gift video. This is the important what we should know. Then I will press the export once it's done. So now the upload is gone. Okay, the upload is done, so we will click the find a target, and this is the video what we've done before. I will move it into the desktop, so it will be easier for me to find it now. Then we go back to check out if it upload properly the gift or not. This is the gift what I've made before, so I will press double click to open it. So guys, this is the result what we've made. The gift is done, and this is the position what I made. It's moved by itself without I press anything. Thank you so much for watching guys, and I wish my advice will be helpful whenever you make any type of gift into your video. And if you're not subscribed, then please subscribe. It will be easier for you to get my information. See you next week.